Hello, welcome to my channel. So recently I posted a story on how I ruined one of my kitchen mugs. So this is what I did and revived this mug, and look how pretty it looks. Now let's see what I did with it. So I have all my colors laid out over here. These are the acrylic colors. This is the cup that was spoiled. It had a Naruto on it, and if you haven't seen, it is posted in one of my shorts. So you can check that out in my YouTube shorts if you want to see how this looked previously. And for now, I'm thinking of first painting the entire cup with some kind of color to give it a uniform base, and then probably draw some kind of scenery or some kind of figure, maybe back to a name, or some kind of cartoon, some floral work. I don't know. We'll see what we can do with it. But right now, let's just start painting this cup. It looks quite not so uniform, so I think painting it with a uniform color will make it look better. So I have these acrylic paints, my palette, and my brushes. There are these extra mediums that came along with this acrylic paint kit, and we might use some of these. I actually honestly used a little bit of the modeling medium over here, and I also used the shimmer or iridescent medium for the background, so it gives the mug a very luminescent shiny finish. You'll see it at the end of the video. The cup, I'm so happy guys with how the cup looks right now. But yeah, so we'll see what all we're going to use. We'll think about using this one, but so this is everything. And also, these are the new paint brushes that I got. If you are following me on Instagram, you guys know that I have been constantly complaining about my current paint brushes from Amazon, although I got these from Amazon as well. And the name of these brushes is Nick Pro, and I've heard very good reviews about it. And here's a small glimpse of how the cup was looking. So I start painting the mug white, give it a uniform base, and then I decide to use a little bit of this iridescent medium with some red. I wanted to give it a pink base, so using this red over here. So I had two reds actually, but this is a little lighter, and I'm hoping that mixing this with the iridescent will give me a pink, but it ended up looking like orange. So I mixed a little bit of white with it as well, so that it looks pinkier. To be honest, yeah, I mean, this is drawing, right? Like, you keep experimenting, you keep mixing, and you don't know what you start with, what you end with. But for me, the end result is always a beautiful one. So I wanted to paint it pink all over, but then I felt like, giving it an unfinished, uneven pink color would look prettier. So after I finished painting, the pink looked like it gave it a little bit of texture because of the irregularities on the mug, and it looked really pretty after I finished painting it. So also here I am using my old brush for painting the base because I did not have any kind of flat thick brush in the Nick Pro set. If you're planning to buy these brushes, keep in mind that these brushes do not come with the flat brushes. And this is what I finally decided to paint. I've drawn it on a paper, and I'm going to use some kind of carbon sheet to trace it on the mug. And do you see how pretty the mug looks? I love the base. So yeah, so now we're going to paint this parrot on the mug and then draw some kind of background in it, probably parrot sitting on a tree or something. So I'm just copying the exact paint that picture in the Pinterest board had. You can also follow me on Pinterest and check out all my art boards and art inspirations. I also upload few of my own drawings in the Pinterest boards that I have. And Yeah, super excited to use these new brushes. I was a little confused over here as to which brush I wanted to use, and then I went with the number one brush in this kit. So mixing, I felt like the blue was a bit too dark, so I mixed a little bit of white with it. And guys, the finishing of these brushes is so good. Wasn't expecting them to work so well. A lot of my purchases from Amazon are a big flop, but this one, my research really paid off. Yeah, and yeah, so one more trick that I wanted to tell you was what I had done was after I finished tracing the bird, I marked what colors I wanted because I did not want to keep looking at the paper, then my laptop, and then color. So you can do that, and those markings will vanish as you start painting. And then I decided to draw my favorite tree, the cherry blossom tree, and it went so well with the pink base. So I did some dot painting with my brushes, and this is how the finished picture looks like. I added some leaves in green, did a little bit of shading in yellow, and look how beautiful the final product looks. Please let me know if you love this and if you want me to make more such videos. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe me on this channel, follow me on all my social media platforms, and I will see you all next time. And also don't forget to share this video to learn more. Bye.